channel. Today we're back some Roblox. Today we are going to be playing Adopt Me, which is a probably proper game, but right now we're into the game. Ooh, it's funny. Anyways, so let's go ahead and get up here and be adopted. So I know everyone, like every single person, goes to the what's it called? The starting area. I got no vehicle, so I'm gonna walk there. Send me. Anyway, so we're gonna walk there. But first, it's perfect. Someone said in a friend request. Oh, I'm right here. Oh, I'm right here next to the house. This is perfect because I can get a mom. This is where I can get a mom, guys. So sorry for the stuff. Anyway, sorry for the background noise. Guys. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go in the chat and type, "Can you adopt me? Can you adopt me?" Bruh, she's not even answering me. Answer me. Ugh. I'm gonna ask her. Can she adopt me? Can you? Why is it that? Can you adopt me? Oh! She just took me. She like. That was nice. I'm gonna just follow her. I'm just gonna follow her. That's all I'm gonna do. Can I follow her? That's her house. I don't. Oh, it looks a nice house. It's a nice house. Fun house. Go judge people's houses. Oh, have a board. Let's just go somewhere that I can buy a vehicle. Okay. The vehicle store. Do they have anything here that I would like? Got a bike. How much is it? Okay, I can buy it. Pink is that color? I got a bike. There you go. I got a bike. Am I going the wrong way? Oh, I'm going. And guys, if you want, and I heard there are some new updates. I heard there's some new updates. That here. I heard there's something called a church, but it's where there's so much stuff there. But I don't know if I have that. So let's go ahead and get there, because I heard there's stuff, and let's get going. And guys, please make sure you join the Cupcake Squad to make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And I might be playing at some something out there about some stuff that I will be giving. And if you really want them to friend me, go ahead and friend me. My name's Cupcake. 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 Hey, wait. My name is Cupcake Lily. 92032. If you want to friend me, go ahead and go friend me. And you can also join the squad. Ugh. I fell in the water. Come on, get me back up. Okay. We're almost there, but to make it a little faster, let's get on my bike. Here we are. And there's a new barn place and some stuff. Here is the new update. I haven't got in that room yet, but this is the place that I found. Let's go check it out. Whoa. I jumped over that. Whoa, this is a cute place. And it's very tiny. It was tiny at the outside. How is it big in the inside? Well, anyways, let's talk to Lily, Agent Lily. Hi, I don't know. Welcome to the Safety Hub. Next to me, you to trade the history book, which is 1,000 years old. I don't know. Why can't I do this? The book controls by magic. Sorry. Oh, why can't I get it up? There you go. Anyways, let's talk to her again. Hey, welcome to Safety Hub. Next to me, trade a history book, which is 1,000 years old. The book is controlled by magic and records all trades you've done in the past 30 days. Interesting. Remember to report scams. And I almost forgot. Have a good day. And remember, our angels are everywhere. We are watching. Wait, so they're spying me? Why am I baiting? Okay. Hello, Kristen. Welcome to the Safety Hub. Okay. Behind the store is a tree listing test. If you don't pass the first time, don't worry. You can retake it as times as you need to pass. Remember to never trust people you don't know. Easy peasy, squeezing lemon. Wait, did I say that right? Almost friend. Have a good day. And remember, our angels are always watching. I actually did that wrong. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezing. But okay. So behind the store is a test. You know if you're a scammer or not. Oops, I went the wrong way. I went out. Why did I go out? She never said it meant you. Anyway. Oh, it's Agent Alex again. That's weird. Why is he here? Would you like to start the test? If you can retake it anytime if you don't pass. Oh, it's Luca. You want to trust your unicorn for my shadow dragon? 1 trade or 2? to trade. You give me your unicorn, then I'll trade you again. Trust me. Okay. This is a scam. Oh, I did right. Give me your giraffe now. I will give you my dragon on an outing later. OMG, really? Yes, give me your giraffe first. Then later I come back on my Antley. Antley. I think it's because they're giving them giraffe. This doesn't look safe. Hey, I'm giving away my dog. Do you want her? For free? Yeah, I have an extra one and you can have her for free. Okay. I believe it's safe. It's ugly. Why is it ugly? Ugly. Now I'm just gonna go back to Agent Lily and give her this. I can't go back on. Go. Okay, I got it. So here, back at what is this? Okay. Anyways, we're here at Agent Lily. I see you have the trading list. It does. I can't read. Can you can use it to check your trade's history anytime. The trade history books will also show all your most respected trades. Use it whenever you want to look over a trade aid and report a scam. Oh, almost forgot. Have a good day and remember, your agents are always watching. Okay, you said that the first time when I came here. It's so tiny. Probably it's bigger when you get bigger. It's so tiny. Why is it tiny? Tiny, tiny babies? Tiny, tiny, tiny. I thought, baby, you can't get it. I'm not moving. Oh. I didn't ask if there's any trade. Anyway. But guys, I'm going to end this video right here. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below some dark secrets and adopt me. Or Brookhaven. And make sure you comment your favorite anime show and tell me who's your favorite character in that anime show. If you got, and make sure subscribe and hit the bell button and turn on notification and like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Sorry for my camera now.